Alright, I'm going to demonstrate a kickstand hip hinge. I'm going to be using a band around the knees so that I have a proprioceptive cue to press those knees out into the band. That's going to help activate the glutes while you're hip hinging into that hamstring and having that glute assist. So what we're going to do is, you don't need a big split between the legs. You don't need her in a full lunge stance. You just want one leg slightly kicked back. You want most of the weight on that front leg, okay? So you're going to square up your hips, keep the back nice and straight, which means you're going to engage your core, and then you're just going to hip hinge forward, keeping tension on that band, and then you're going to come back up using that glute. So you should feel the glute hamstring kind of working at that top of where they meet, at that gluteal fold. So you're going to hip hinge, keeping tension on that band, come back up. So again, hip hinge, come back up, and just for a different view, making sure that you keep that straight leg. I'll switch legs here. You're gonna keep all the weight on that front leg, nice straight back, and then you're just going to hip hinge, keeping tension on that band, coming back up. So pretty simple exercise. What we're trying to do is reactivate the glutes, especially in that hip hinge movement, so that the hamstrings aren't taking all of the effort, and you're also not using the high adductors as well, because that often can lead to some injuries as well. So just remember that you're putting all the weight in that front leg, you're pushing out into the band, you're keeping a nice straight back, you're hip hinging. This is meant to be slow and controlled, so take your time, really feel the right muscles, and if you have any questions, please feel free to message me.